Gai Satay. Skewered barbecued chicken with peanut sauce. Preparation time 35 minutes. Cooking time 10 to 15 minutes. Ingredients 300 grams chicken, gai. 1/4 cup evaporated milk, nom kon. 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder. Luk pak chi bon, roasted and ground. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. Yira bon, roasted and ground. 2 teaspoons curry powder, bang curry. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, bang kamin. 2 teaspoons soy sauce, si iu cow. 1/4 teaspoon salt, glue. Preparation: slice the chicken into 1 centimeter pieces. 2. Mix evaporated milk, curry powder, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, soy sauce, and salt together. Then add the chicken and marinate for half an hour. 3. Skewer the chicken onto small bamboo skewers. Grill the meat until cooked. 4. Remark: other kinds of proteins, pork, beef, turkey, etc., can be used in place of the chicken.